I've decided to do a weekly update on the puppies since they're 4 weeks old now and seem to be getting bigger every day. As you can see, they're starting to walk around and play, and also starting to make little barks and howling sounds. They also try to eat mom's food sometimes, so we've decided that this weekend we're going to buy them some puppy chow. We've also found new homes for all of the puppies. Their new owners are very excited to meet them. They'll be able to see them in as little as 2 to 4 weeks.
We got about a 5-pound turkey breast with the bone and everything. Falling out right now. I got it seasoned up, about to go in the fridge for, I don't know, maybe an hour or so, and probably get it on the smoker about 10. And we're gonna do some lunch meat and like 2 dinners out of this. But it's about 5 pounds with the bone, so it'll make, I don't know, 3.5, 4 pounds meat. So should be a couple dinners and quite a bit of sandwich lunch meat from a turkey that we grew. This is one of the 4 turkeys that we grew. This is a whole breastplate, and we're gonna stick it on the smoker today and make a couple things out of it. Stick tune, and we're about to go out and do our morning chores and see what else we can get into for the day. Okay, so get out here, do our chores for the morning. Got to feed the chickens, feed the goats, and check on them. And that's about all of our morning chores right now, just because it's not growing season. We don't have a pig right now, so we ain't got to worry about feeding one of them. Let me get this tripod set up. Little stubby tripod. So we ain't got to worry about a pig right now, or water in the garden, or picking vegetables or anything. So right now we're just got to worry about the chickens and the goats. So we ain't got a whole lot to do right now as much as animal chores. There is a lot more to do, but just not as much animal chores. I have got to get my truck put back together today because Esther's car, we're kind of carless right now, because I was driving Esther's car to work the other morning and it blew an oil line, and before I noticed it, it locked up. So that one's down. My truck's PCM fried. I'm gonna try to, I got one ordered, and I think they said that it should be here like Monday or Tuesday. So hopefully that fixes that, so we can get that fixed. Over here at the goats, feeding them. Don't know if you can hear me because it's windy. We haven't went through a whole lot of hay yet. We just now got to where we can stand in there. There's still a whole barn. So it'd be nice if we make it through the winter, but I'm sure we'll have to buy a couple bales, which I guess isn't too bad because last year we didn't have nowhere to store hay. So we was buying 2 to 3 bales at a time all through winter, and that got really, really expensive. So this is much better. But I don't know if you guys remember from previous videos from back in the summer, we bought our hay out of the field for $3 a bale, and we was buying it for anywhere from $8 to I think it was like $6 to $10, honestly. Most of it was about $8 a bale last year, so heck of a lot better than that. So we was able to buy 36 bales this year, or 34 bales is all that trailer will hold. But with our goats, should be enough. But we did just now add 3 more that we wasn't expecting to add. So not sure how that's going to affect that.
I was gonna say a minute ago though, at one point in the summer, we had to pay $12. Regardless, it wasn't regular hay, it was Bermuda hay, but we were paying $12 for hay at one time during the winter time last year. So
even if we gotta buy a little bit, it'll be a lot better than last year. Because last year was really expensive.
Sunshine, sunshine, sunshine. I think I found it now. What I've been looking for. Isn't it beautiful? It's got my head all up in the clouds. I think I found it now. Everything I want might be a miracle. I know I'm never coming down. I don't gotta worry about a single thing. I can feel the light coming down on me. Sunshine on my face. I got sunshine on my face. I don't gotta care in the world right now. Higher than the ceiling, breaking through the clouds. Sunshine on my face. I got sunshine on my face. Yeah. I got sunshine. I got sunshine. I got sunshine. I gotta let you know, it's so incredible. I'm finally letting go. Up, up and away, yeah we go. I found my flow right on time, and now I know what it feels like to shine like gold. Up, up and away, yeah we go. I don't gotta worry about a single thing. I can feel the light coming down on me. Sunshine sunshine.
So good.
I put mayonnaise in mine. Bread. Delish. Just kidding, it's really good.
Thank you.
10 out of 10.
I agree.